Hi you guys, so today we're going to learn how to describe the relationship between angles. There's three main types. We've got supplementary, complementary, and vertical angles. The rest of this lesson will give you some notes. You should write them in your interactive notebook, and then we'll work through a couple examples together. And then after that, you will do a Khan Academy lesson. Have a great day. So, identifying supplementary, complementary, and vertical angles. This is the part you should write in your notebook. So, a supplementary angle is an angle that are two angles together that make a straight line, which means that angle A and angle B would add up to 180 degrees. Complementary angles are angles that make up a 90-degree angle. So here, angle A and angle B would add up to 90 degrees. And vertical angles are angles that are directly across from each other, and each of their legs or the edges make a straight line. So basically, the angle of A is exactly equal to the measurement of angle B. And there you go, let's do some practice. What type of relationship do this angle plus this angle make? Exactly, they come together to make a right angle. So that would be complementary. Here's my two Visco Girl metal straws. So looking at these two angles, what is the relationship between that angle and that angle? Exactly, they're vertical, which means that this would be the exact same degrees as this one, as well as this angle would be exactly the same as this angle. This is a quilt that I made a long time ago. When you're quilting, you often deal with a lot of angles. So here's three angles, this one, and this one. Those three angles come together, and what type of angles relationship do they have? Exactly, they make a straight line, so they would be supplementary. So I'm taking a walk and I found another great example of an angle relationship. So looking at this, what type of angle relationship do the two branches represent? Exactly, we've got a vertical angle because we've got this one compared to this one, and then another vertical angle here, there, and there. Now that you've seen a couple real world examples, let's look at some that are similar to what Khan Academy will show you. So be careful because they tend to add in all these extra angles that are not important. Just focus on where the angle is that it's showing you to look at. So for example, angle A would really be between here and here, and angle B is between here and here. So what's the relationship between angle A and B? So it would be a supplementary angle because it makes a straight line, which means that it would add up to 180 degrees. Here's our next one. Again, ignore anything else. We're just focusing on A and B, and those come together to make what type of angle relationship? Exactly, that would be complementary because it makes a 90-degree angle. And then the last one, again, ignore the other stuff. What type of angle relationship is that? Yep, it would be vertical angles because they're directly across from each other, which means that the measurement of angle A would be exactly the same as the measurement of angle B. I think you've got this, and you'll do a great job on the Khan Academy assignment.